welcome back to another episode of Shot Glass Cooking with Brittany. Today, I'm going to be cooking some creamy lemon pepper chicken. And here are all the ingredients that you'll need. First, you'll need some olive oil, 1 can of chicken broth, of course your lemon pepper seasoning, some butter, and some heavy cream. At least 6 pieces of chicken, 2 lemons, and of course, here's your ingredients measured out for you in shot glasses. Lemon pepper seasoning, salt, and fresh garlic. I'm going to be using a deep pan. I'm pouring in my chicken broth. And at this point, you can go ahead and drizzle in some olive oil as well. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some seasonings onto the chicken. This is the lemon pepper seasoning. Place the lemons into your pan so they can fuse together. And next, I'm going to add just a bit more salt to the chicken. And I'm going to place it in the pan so it can start cooking together and add in that garlic. So now I have my chicken nice and broiling together with that lemon. So now it's time to make it creamy. I'm going to add in the half and half. Again, you can use whole milk or heavy cream, but it makes it good. So I've had it cooking down now for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to add in some more lemon pepper seasoning. That's the point, right? Next, it's going to get browned on the skin. And add a little bit of butter. Now it's time to eat. And it smells so good in here. And the chicken is so tender. All right, well then that's it, gang. So thank you for coming to another episode of Shot Glass Cooking with Brittany. Please share this, like it, and most important, eat it. Thank you. See you around.